Question 2. Two binary numbers are stored in a computer. Part A. Add the two binary numbers using the binary addition. Give your answer in binary. Show all your working. So to add these numbers, there are rules governing addition of binaries. So what are these rules? The rules are like this. So we have to know these rules. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. Then 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. So I've got no problem. The 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Then 1 plus 1. This is 1, 0. So why do we have 1, 0 when we are adding 1 plus 1? Because in real life, when you add 1 to 1, you are going to get a 2. But remember, in binary, we don't have a 2. The highest number in binary is a 1. We start from 0, 1. So if we say 1 plus 1 is 2, we have to convert that 2 to binary. So let's do that. Then you understand why we have 1, 0 here. So to be 2 into 2. Then the remainder there. So 2 into 2 is 1, remainder 0. 2 into 1 is 0, remainder 1. In binary, we read upward like this, so it will be 1, 0. So you see 1 plus 1, we have 1, 0. This is not 10, it is 1, 0. It's in binary. What it means is that you are going to write a 0 and you carry a 1. What if we have 1 plus 1 plus 1? What is the answer? We know 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3. But in binary, we don't have 3. So how do we write it? Let's see. Convert 3 to binary. So we have 3 here, the remainder there, and then we do the division. 2 into 3 is 1, remainder 1. 2 into 1 is 0, remainder 1. So in binary, this one is 1, 1, because we read like that. So now we're using these rules that we have established here. We can now do the addition. So they're not visible. So we have let me rewrite this one so that they are visible. We have 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Then we have 1, 0, 0. Then we have 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. At least this one was more visible. So 1 plus 1 is 0. According to the rules here, we are still using the same rules. Then we carry 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. Then 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1, it is 0. You carry 1. Then 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is this rule, you are going to have a 1 here, and then you carry a 1. Then 1 plus 1, this rule, it is a 0. You carry a 1. 1 plus 1 is a 0. Then you carry a 1, which you put here. Then 1 plus 0 is 1. So when you add this, you are going to have 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0 in binary. A logic right shift of 3 places is performed on the binary number, this number. Give the denary number for the binary number that will be stored after the logical shift of 3 places as occurred. Show all your working. So we've got this working space, and then you have to put the answer there. Now, a logical right shift means we move all bits 3 places to the right. So these bits, we move them to the right, this side. We are moving them to the right. This is right, like this. Okay, and then we fill the left side, this side, with the zeros. And then the bits that move past the right end are lost. So when we do the first shift, so you can say shift 1, this one, when we shift to the right here, this is 1 will become a 0, and then when you shift this side, this 1, when it shifts, it goes beyond to become a 0. So it will be 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. So we've shifted this, and this has gone beyond. So this one becomes and a 0, sorry, and 0 here. Yeah. So this one is lost. Then when we shift, we do the second shift. We are going to shift this 0 here. So, or this one, we're going to shift this one. So we're going to have 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, and then 0, 1. Then when we do the third shift, again, we shift to the right. We are going to have 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. This one will be lost. So this is, we've now carried out the right shift of 3 places. So this is the result here. But here we've been told that we have to convert this number to denary. So how do we do that? We use the place value method. So let's write it here. We have 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. So this is, so our number is in 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. So this is 2 to power 0, the place value, 2 to power 1, 2 to power 2, 2 to power 3, then this is 2 to power 4. After this, there are zeros. So if these are insignificant, even this one will still give us a 0. So we can do the mathematics to be 1 times 2. This will give us 2. Then this one will be 1 times 4, which will give us 4. Then this one will be 1 times 8, which is equal to 8. Then this one will be 1 times, this is the 16, which is equal to 16. So when we add 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2, this will give us 30 in denary. So the answer here in denary is 30.